Personal accounts has two permission levels. The first is the repository owner. Repository owner, I can say it, the person who owns the account, that would be you. And the repositories owned by personal accounts have one owner. The ownership permissions cannot be shared with another personal account. For collaborators, these are people you add as collaborators. I cannot tell you how many times I did this slide. It's the best I can do it, so we'll just live with the way I said that. So let's go through the type of permissions that repository actions have. They can invite collaborators, they can change the visibility of repos, limit interactions with repos, rename the branch, including the default branch. They can merge a pull request on a protected branch, even if there are no approving reviews. They can delete the repo. They can manage the repo topics. They can manage security and analysis settings for the repo. They can enable the dependency graph for a private repo, delete and restore packages, customize the repo social media preview, create a template from the repo, control access to Dependabot alerts, dismiss Dependabot alerts in the repo, manage data use for a private repo, define code owners for the repo, archive the repo, create security advisories, display a sponsor button, allow or disallow, auto merge for pull requests. Yes, there's a lot of things here. I realize this is tiring. Manage deploy keys, manage webhooks. Let's take a look at what collaborators can do. Fork the repo, rename a branch other than the default branch, create and edit, delete on commits, pull requests, issues in the repo, create, assign, close, and reopen issues in the repo, manage labels for issues and pull requests in the repo, manage milestones for issues and pull requests in the repo, mark an issue or pull request in the repo as a duplicate, create and merge, close, pull requests in the repo, enable, disable auto merge for a pull request, apply suggested changes to pull requests in the repo, create a pull request from a fork of the repo, submit a review of a pull request that affects the mergeability of the pull request, create and edit a wiki for the repo, create and edit releases for the repo, acts as a code owner for the repo, publish, view, or installs packages, removes themselves as collaborators on the repo. Okay, so that's a lot to remember. So just remember this. Repo owners have full control of the repo. Collaborators can pull, such as read the contents of the repo, and push, write changes to the repo. There you go. Ciao.